Zentangle is a meditative art form that is a relaxing method of creating abstract art using simple pen and paper. It focuses on being mindful and present. Did you know Zentangle doesn't require any artistic skills? Shanta discovered Zentangle at the age of 60 and had not much of artistic skills. But she's been tangling regularly ever since. When asked what keeps her going back to Zentangle, she says, I've always had a lot of stress to deal with. Zentangle takes me to a bubble away from everything else. Nancy, another practicing tangler from across the world, says, by learning and practicing Zentangle, I have become more focused on positivity. When tangling, my mind is in a still, time hold moment, a mindful practice similar to yoga. Diane has something similar to say. She says, Zentangle is helping me to get into good habits of drawing regularly. It has also helped me to be creative as well as makes me feel relaxed.